Hello loves, welcome to Unique Makes by Christina. Today is Temu time. Let's go ahead and see what goodies I was able to snag up. Okay, the first thing I would love to share is these bee and honey gift bags. Oh, look at that. That is so cute. I'm getting ready for spring and summer crafting. So I figured I'd get some bee stuff just in case. But look at that. Let me show you this one. And I will have all the links below. So if you want to grab them, you can. And they're a little different. I think they got this style and the other one. But look at that. And this is just a regular plastic bag for gifting. Wow, love that. That's actually really real nice. Real nice. Do love that. So I got that one. Next thing I hauled is this bee gift box. I saw this. This was the cutest thing ever. I will put a image in the video so it shows you what it looks like. So let me show you. Let me take out some pieces. So it does come with the bee, and this is a topper. So you do get this one, and it makes a box. All you're gonna do is fold it, fold it, fold it, and the bee goes on top. So I thought that was super cute. They have for swaps or in gifting. And look at the cute bee. He is so cute. Love, love, love. Wow, this looks better than what it did online. So I got that. Next thing I hauled is this strawberry tool. See, this is pretty. Let me open it for you. Wow, this is nice. Look at that. How nice is that? So it does got strawberries and it's a light pink. So I have that one. Now I also ordered some, this is like a trim. And when I saw this, I was like, yes, please. Look how cute it is. Look at that. How cute is that? And it comes with the pearl, the pink, and the white. So I also have that. And you do get a lot. Look at that. You get a lot of that. I got that one. And I also ordered some bee little bags here. I'll put it on the bottom here. But you get 4 different styles. So you get this style. Look how nice that is. Beautiful. So you get that style. This one with the honey. Love it. Wow. I love my bees because like I love planting and stuff. Look at that one. Beautiful. And then the last one. Look at that. I like this one. But yeah, I love my bees. Gotta have the bees for your gardens and your flowers. So I got that. Really love those. A lot of this is bees and strawberry summery stuff that I ordered. Next thing I ordered is this carrot napkins. We are all in the little napkin kick right now. So look at that. That's a whole thing of carrots. Look at that. Love it. So this you could turn it into a little pocket, a little mini journal, a little bookmark. Leave in the comments below and let me know what you would like me to make so that I could do a tutorial for you. Okay, and then I did get a die. I believe this is a bee theme with a bear face. Yeah. So I got that. Love that. I'll put a picture in the video so you can see what that looks like. And then I did haul some strawberry clay mix. I could create a shaker. Love that. The next thing I have is these cute strawberry little bags. Let you see these. Look at that. There's no glare. So I got these for like gifting little stuff in there. I also got those ones. And then the next thing I hauled are these clay bits, and it's like the honeycomb. Look at that. Look how cute that is. And it does got like little, little jemmies, yeah. Got some clear jemmies in there, so I got that one. Wow, this is nice. I might have to order more. But then I got some strawberry nail art, and it does have some little bows in there and some jemmies. I got this to mix into my strawberry mix. Look at that. Real nice. I love that. Love, love, love. Okay, another thing I hauled. I've been hauling these two before. And these are little cherry flatbacks. Look at that. Now this shop has like a different variety. So this is another variety I got. So I got those. And then I did also, and I'll put a picture of this in the video, I ordered some strawberry cupcake liners. Look at that. I got something in mind I'm going to test out. But I also got those. And if it comes out, I'll make a video. And then the next thing I have here are some little cute bugs. So you do get the ladybug, the little snail, a bee, and then you do get the little butterfly and a little bird, I believe. Yeah, love that. Love that. And then the last thing I hauled, I got some more chiffon ribbon, and then yellow to match with my bee theme. But yeah, that is pretty much my little haul that I want to share with you. I will link everything if it's still available. If it's not, and this gives me something similar, I'll put that in the video link also, so you can get something similar. Because I've noticed some stuff have been going out of stock. Well, a lot of the good stuff. But yeah, make sure you leave a comment below. Let me know what's your favorite. I really like the trim. I like the whole thing. But actually, these are real nice. So yeah, let me know what is your favorite. So subscribe if you haven't. Hit the notification so you do know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.